Coming up, we've travelled down to the south coast from Teta Batu, staying in Selong Belanak, and we're going to explore the south coast and see which beach we like best. We've arrived at our next hotel, and this is our room. We're not quite sure how you say it, but we think it's Uryah. Anyway, I mean, you see how it's spelled. There you go. That's the spelling. This is your do not disturb verses. So please reset this cozy chaos if you want your room done, and offline try again later. In other words, do not disturb. Really nice. It's all those nice little touches. It's all, when did you say it opened? June, so it's only opened in June, so it's brand new. Gorgeous. And then you go out here, lovely little balcony with a little seat, a table. That's reception down there, and the restaurant, and then the pool. Really fix things on the sunbeds as well. Just keep Jan happy. Even better,
they have kittens.
It's little kittens. A couple of little kittens around.
You love a hotel dog or a hotel kitten?
Yeah, we've got hotel cats. Oh yeah, I mean, we looked at the bathroom yet. I'm sure it's going to be... Oh wow. I think I can put up with that.
Oh, very nice.
Mozzie though, Mozzie.
No.
Oh no, it's a bug. Yeah, a bit lovely. I think we might like it here. I think we might be extending. And there's a mini fridge with bintang in. Beer in the mini fridge to sit on your balcony, and it's only 40 for a beer.
It's the same as the shop.
Pretty much. 20 for a Coke.
25 per kilogram. That's quite a lot for laundry.
£1 a kilo.
Oof.
Convenience, isn't it?
Not exactly making my yoga restful.
Isn't it?
The helmet first.
Thank you.
Perfect, thank you.
Laundry stop. Hotel was 25,000 per kilo, so I'd be interested to see what it is here. Probably a bit less, I imagine. Quite hot today, so even the water buffalo have decided to come and cool down. Hopefully we'll be doing that shortly on the beach. we've done our hour's moped ride, hairy in bits, but to get to this beach, which is Tanjung Aan Beach, which is beautiful, lovely soft sand.
Bit rubbish.
A little bit of rubbish, but
Quite a lot.
quite a lot of rubbish actually. At this bit anyway. Which way are we going? Round to the left or round to the right? Yeah, left. You look from a distance, it looks idyllic, but just look at the state of it. It's just rubbish everywhere, and the sea's pretty much the same as the beach here. It's just full of plastic and rubbish. Don't know why this lady's having her glamorous photos taken in the middle of all the rubbish. Maybe not going below knee height, maybe. We've made it a bit further around the bay and all of a sudden no rubbish at all. So whether they actually clean up this bit or whether it's just because the way the tide and the sea comes in doesn't get it here. But yeah, this bit of beach is lovely.
You can do surfing at this beach, but obviously not far in. You have to go a boat out, which we've just seen go past, and then there are surfers out over on the break over there. Lots of them standing up, but they look fairly gentle waves. So maybe if you're a beginner, they do loads of lessons along the beach here, so you could give it a go.
This is downtown Kuta. Quite nice little cafes, restaurants, bits and pieces. The usual mix of tour operators, supermarkets, restaurants, bars, massage places, bit of everything. Looks quite nice. Yeah, it looks nice, doesn't it? Little local fishing bit. Again, rubbish everywhere, unfortunately. And a little fishing pier. And then if we go, I think, along to the left, it probably gets a bit nicer. This is the local end of the beach. It is Sunday, so I guess there's no school, but hundreds of kids in here, all the local kids.
Stuff in my shoes.
Yeah. Has improved again the further left you go up the beach, but it's still far from clean. You said you had read that Kuta Beach wasn't lovely.
Kuta Beach wasn't lovely, no, I knew this.
Yeah.
I knew that, but
And it's could be
lovely.
bit of a clean up, but
It's obviously shallow out for a very long way as well.
yeah. Yeah.
There's no waves unless you get right out.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. Yeah. Just a shame again about the litter, but anyway, won't go on about that anymore. We're in Kuta and just got a bit thirsty and peckish, so we stopped at what we think is called the Riviera Cafe, which looks quite newly done, quite nice. And Jan's gone for a whole coconut again.
nice.
I've got a banana smoothie at last, and a chicken in ciabatta. Chicken katsu in ciabatta, which looks pretty good. So just to tide us over for a while. We didn't quite make it back before the heavens opened, so I managed to get soaked in the last 2 minutes driving back, but at least it's warm rain and we can have a quick shower and then maybe go for a dip in the pool if it stops. Jan's just cursed the sunshine by putting sun cream on, and we've just heard one of the biggest rumbles of thunder yet. After a lazy day yesterday, we've actually made it out of the hotel.
Yeah.
Spent all day by the pool yesterday, and today we're heading down this track, which hopefully is a shortcut to the beach, so you don't have to walk all the way.
It's not a shortcut, I think it's longer, it's just off the
A
main
long
road.
cut, but avoids the main road, which had a lot of mad lorries on today for some reason. And we'll go and see what the beach is like during the day. We just come down the other evening, but haven't seen it during the day. But it did look like a nice beach. Just a little warning that there could be tsunamis. It doesn't actually tell you what to do, just that you might get hit by a big wave. And here it is, Atlantis Restaurant and Bar. Yeah, well, we might as well wander through there. There's a little bit to get into the beach there as well, but we'll wander through the restaurant bar so we can see if it is a beach club type setup. Hope it is. When we didn't bring the big towels from the hotel on the basis that we'd be using it. We've checked into the beach club, the Atlantis Resto Bar, so you can see the swimming pool, various bits to sit up there, and then we're on the sun lounges by the beach. You've got a nice beach leading down to the sea once you get past the little boats, and they do various water sports as well. Well, you can either come in for nothing, and you can use the sunbeds and everything. You're just not allowed to use the pool, but you just need to buy a drink, or you can pay 100k, which is what we've just done. Then you get the sun lounges, towels, use of the pool, use of all the facilities, and one drink. So pretty good really, and it's a nice spot.
That's it.
Jan's got a low down sun lounger, she's not happy, whereas mine is a little bit bigger and raised up, so I've got a lovely view. So that's my view. This is Jan's view. Okay, I'm going to go and test out the sea. Looks like the tide's gone out a fair bit since we got here. It's very shallow for a long way out. And there's beach dogs asleep in every little bit of shade. Oh, disturbed him, sorry mate. This end. Lots of surf schools. See all the people learning. That was a bit colder than I thought. That wave snuck up behind me. But there's our Atlantis Beach Club. There's a lovely beach. Let's look at the length. The bay goes all the way around. And another little beach just beyond that hill. It's beautiful. Is it good?
Yeah, a bit of an arm workout.
There you go, getting your exercise. That was a nice half day at the Atlantis Bar and Restaurant. More of a beach club than a bar and restaurant really, but very nice.
It was, apart from flies.
Yeah, quite. Yeah, flies were starting to bother us by the end, but I don't suppose there's a lot they can do about that. As you can see, it's quite nice because it's set back from the main road a bit, which just makes all the difference. It's very quiet by the pool, and it's all kind of enclosed. It's almost a bit like a little oasis. Really nice. But yeah, just being that 100 metres back from the road makes all the difference. Jan was having a nice piece for breakfast, but there's a few flies about. But the breakfast here is excellent. You get a plate of fruit, which we've already had, a fruit juice, coffee, and then a main course, which is a choice of half a dozen things from pancakes to avocado toast to smoothie bowls, so really good. Good waves for beginner surfing and learning to surf. Just got asked about 20 times if we wanted a surf lesson, which we might do in a little while. We'll see. Wait and see if we get someone actually standing up. Here we go. What about this lady? No. Oh, this guy. Oh, there you go. Much quieter as you come down this end, but still very clean.
Really clean.
Compared to the other. Tiny bit up at the top, but nothing compared to the beaches around Kuta. Much nicer. Not sure how well this is going to work, because the waves are quite big. You might get a lot of shots of underwater. Oh, Jan's about to be taken out. She's not watching. Wait. Smile for the camera! Smile! Smile! I've come a bit away from the surface, but here goes. Where's she gone? Oh, she's still there.
I know!
As you can see, we had great fun on Selong Belanak beach, so probably no great surprise to you that that's our favourite, and Jan will probably do a told you so moment, because that's why she booked us a hotel there.
It is, that's exactly right. I'm always right, you should know it by now. It was definitely the nicest.
Yeah, I mean the other two had potential, Kuta less so, but just the amount of rubbish unfortunately really detracts from the other two beaches.
Yeah, go to Selong Belanak and stay where we did.
Jan's happy, she's got a fruit stick.